As we are starting with the blinking project, it's a first project to begin with. So we will click on the STM32 Cube IGE and we will click launch, and then we will wait for a little bit. Then we can find a window. We'll go to the file, then click new and STM32 project. And in the commercial part number, we will write STM32 F103 C8T6. That's the name of our Blupill. Blupill is the commercial name. And then we'll hit next, and we'll give a name. In this case, I will write blinking LEDs because it's a nice project to start with. We'll click finish and wait a little bit. Now the STM32 Cube IDE will come to us with this window, and this is the main microcontroller and main IC, and you can see the pins. Now we will use PC30 as our output, and so I will click GPIO output, which stands for general purpose input output. Now we click, and now we'll go to clock configuration. You can see many settings here, but we will talk about this later. We'll go to the system core and click real clock configuration, and in high speed clock we'll select crystal ceramic resonator. Alright, now we will save and we'll generate the code. So STM32 Cube IDE will generate 90% of code for us, and the rest of 10% is our duty. Now you can see that it is ready to work with. Everything is initialized. So if we click MX GPIO init, open declaration, we can see that the HAL GPIO clock is enabled, and the GPIO instruct pin is 13. As we saw that we have selected pin 30 as our output, and PC30, so the GPIO pin is C block and is in C block, and the pin number is 13. And as you can see that it's mentioned here. So we'll go back to our main code, main file, and so I have to talk a little bit serious matter that we have to write something between this code. If we write outside this comment, in that case I'm declaring a variable and I'm assigning a variable with 0 outside the comment, which is user code begin, user code end. And if we go back and if we make any changes here, as example I'm making a random changes, then we will, if we save this, then the code that the variable that I have written outside the comment will vanish. As we can see, the declaring variable which is value is now clear. So we have to write between this comment, otherwise it will be vanished after few changes. So we will go to the while loop and we will do our main task, which is blinking our LED. So I will write HAL GPIO, which is hardware abstraction layer, general purpose input output. If we can remember the main function, we can instead type control plus space bar. Thus will get us the full function here. As we can see, and our GPIO pin is PC13, so I will write GPIO C, and the GPIO pin number will be 13. So I will write GPIO pin 13, and pin state in that case 1 means on and 0 means off. So, and now I want my LED blink for 1 second on and 1 second off. So I will use a delay function, which is HAL delay. As you can see, after pressing Ctrl plus spacebar, it gives us many options, and in that case I will write 1000, and in that case 1000 means 1 second. So now I will again write HAL GPIO C. So now I want my LED off for 1 second, so I will write HAL GPIO right pin GPIO C, GPIO pin number will be 13, and pin state will be 0. Alright, now I will use the HAL delay function again, and that's how a blinking LED works. Now everything is set up, and now I will now it will it's in a while loop, so it will continue the loop forever and will give us a blinking LED. Now everything is fine and we are good to go. Now I will debug the whole code. All right, as you can see, now my code is getting compiled, and build is finished, and there is 0 errors and 0 warnings. We are good to go. Now I will click the run button, and it will upload the code on my microcontroller, which is STM32 Blupill. All right, it's download verified successfully. It's updated now. Now, as you can see on my hardware, the PC13 built-in LED is blinking. Thanks.